Hi, my name is Miley Organic. I live in Rosemont, and you're watching Biweekly Titan.
Hey, have you guys heard of the Grim Rona? What's up, Titans? It's Friday, October 9th. I'm Zach Vogel, and you're watching Biweekly Titan. Happy Friday. Now let's see what we've got for announcements. Parents, if you need to report an absence, even during remote learning, then please do any of the following. Call the TC King Street campus main number at the number below, or the attendance office at this number below. Or you can send an email to the attendance office at the email below. The attendance office will update the students' attendance records to reflect the excused absences. Effective October 1st, by the City of Alexandria, face coverings will be required in outdoor and indoor public places to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. The PTSA is holding its annual Reflections art contest. This year, entries can be submitted online at the link below. You can also turn in your submission by hand if preferred. The theme for this year is I Matter Because. The task is to submit a piece of art that falls under the following 6 categories: art, photography, literature, music, composition, dance, and video. The deadline is October 26th by 5 p.m. If you'd like more information, go to any of the links below. Also, if you have any questions, email the link below. Today is Unity Day in the City of Alexandria. It's not too late to show your support by wearing green. Take lots and lots of pictures and share them using the hashtag #BullyFree_starts-with-me and tagging @BullyFreeAlexVA. Make sure you're wearing green. Come and join SELAH. SELAH is a faith-based organization that invites people of all walks of life and backgrounds to unite and to achieve racial reconciliation in the Alexandria community through uncomfortable conversation and respectful experience. They'll have their first meeting today, Friday at 3:30 p.m. They'll begin the series on cancel culture, normalizing growth. If you would like to join but not able to attend today's meeting, please use the email below. Join the Zoom meeting using this link. Theogony's Online edition is back. Keep up with what's happening in ACPS and the Alexandria community. Our very own journalists are back at work through their online edition, Theogony Online. Go to the link below to read their latest posts and past editions. We're finally in the month of October, and you know what that means. It's spooky season, and we have the perfect package to kick it off.
I've got corona. Rona's here.
Thank you to TV2 students Rebecca, Vinny for that great package. Now we must be on the lookout for Michael Myers and Rona. Well, Titans, I hope you're all wearing green. This has been Zach Vogel for another episode of Biweekly Titan. Thanks for watching and have a great day.